Welcome back to World DNA. Thank you so much for staying with us. Lots lined up for you on this side of the show as well. Let's start by looking at the headlines first.
Russian President Vladimir Putin is set for a rare North Korea trip today, a first in 24 years. US raises alarm, says deepening Moscow-Pyongyang ties are troublesome and quite certain that Putin will seek arms to support war in Ukraine.
Thousands of Israelis protest against Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's government over the Gaza war and failure to negotiate the release of hostages.
The Israeli Defense Forces claim they've dismantled about half of Hamas fighting force in Rafah, killing at least 550 gunmen in the area. The Israeli military says it found 25 long tunnels, some which may cross into Egypt.
A Russian missile attack on Ukraine's east-central Poltava region injures 22, including 3 children, and damages homes and power lines, knocks out electricity for more than 55,000 consumers.
An Indian man suspected by the US of involvement in a plot to kill Khalistani terrorist on American soil pleads not guilty. We're speaking about Nikhil Gupta, who's accused by the US federal prosecutors of plotting to kill Gurpatwant Singh Pannun, a US resident.
Top US delegation, including former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, is set to visit Dharamsala in India today to meet Dalai Lama. Visit comes after the US House of Representatives passed a bill urging China to re-engage with the Dalai Lama.
In a major move by the key Indian opposition party, Congress, Priyanka Gandhi to contest from Waynad as Rahul Gandhi keeps the Rai Bareli seat. After years of speculation, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is finally set to make her electoral debut.
GameStop shares fell as CEO Ryan Cohen suggests fewer stores and didn't outline use for $4 billion cash, disappointing investors amid sales challenges from digital gaming competition.